How to post pictures on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can post pictures or pins on Pinterest. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. First of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Pinterest app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Pinterest, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Pinterest app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So if you want to go ahead and then post something on Pinterest, it's very simple. Make sure you're logged into your account, and what you have to do is you can see all of the pins posted by others on your home page. If you want to post your own, then you just have to tap on this little plus button which you see at the bottom, and as you tap on the plus button, you can see multiple options over here. You can create a board, you can create an idea pin, but in order to post something, we're going to tap on the option called pin. Now what we will do is we will just select a photo from our gallery which we will use for the pin. So let me just select this one for example. You can also go ahead and then crop them accordingly and tap on the next button, and as you tap on the next button, the next step is to give this pin a title. So just go ahead and then give it any of the titles that you wish. Once you give this pin a particular title over here, you can also say more about your pin. So just go ahead and write any of the descriptions that you want to about the pin or the post that you're currently uploading. After you've done that, you can also add a destination website if you do want to. You can tap on the add button to do so, which will redirect them to this particular website over here. Or else what you can just do is, in order to post this, tap on the next button. Now you also have to save this to your boards. For example, if your board is private, the post which you keep in within that board is also going to get private. So you want to make sure that you are selecting a public board over here if you want to make it public. So of course this all depends upon your own wish, and then just tap on the save button and you can see save to that particular board. And this is how you can go ahead and then post pictures on Pinterest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.